Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore the world of herbal teas and natural remedies. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and enable notifications to stay up to date with our latest videos. We're excited to have you as part of our tea-loving community. Have you ever wondered about the incredible benefits of tea with 6 flavors? Well, today we have something very special for you. Get ready to discover the secrets of the amazing 6-flavor tea, a traditional herbal blend that not only tantalizes your taste buds but also offers a plethora of health benefits. But first, let's explore the ingredients required to create this aromatic and flavorful tea. You can easily find these ingredients at your local herbal store or online. If you enjoy, you can even dry the fruits at home. Here's what you'll need for this amazing blend. Sour tea, 1 tablespoon. Benefits. Sour tea, also known as hibiscus tea, is rich in antioxidants and has been linked to various health benefits such as improving heart health, lowering blood pressure, and aiding digestion. Green tea, 1 tablespoon. Benefits. Green tea is renowned for its high concentration of antioxidants, which promote overall health and well-being. It may also boost brain function, aid in weight management, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Cinnamon, 1 tablespoon. Benefits. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants and possesses anti-inflammatory properties. It has been associated with improving blood sugar control, reducing the risk of heart disease, and aiding in digestion. Dried orange or tangerine peel, 1 tablespoon. Benefits. The peel of oranges or tangerines contains essential oils and flavonoids that can support digestive health, boost immunity, and provide a refreshing aroma. Dried apple, 1 tablespoon. Benefits. Apples are packed with vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. They contribute to heart health, support digestion, and are a great source of natural sweetness in this tea blend. Cloves, 1 tablespoon. Benefits. Cloves possess antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. They have been used traditionally to alleviate dental pain, promote oral health, and provide a warm and comforting flavor to the tea. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating this delightful tea blend. Step 1. Begin by thoroughly mixing all the dried ingredients, including cloves, apple, and more. Ensure a well-balanced blend by gently combining them in a bowl. Step 2. Once mixed, transfer the aromatic blend into a teapot, ready to release its enticing flavors. Step 3. Add cold water to the teapot, filling it to the brim. Give the mixture a gentle swirl, allowing the water to interact with the ingredients. Step 4. Carefully pour out the cold water, removing any potential dust or impurities, while retaining the flavor-packed blend. Step 5. With the teapot now empty, add boiling water to it, covering the ingredients completely. This will initiate the infusion process, unlocking the full potential of the flavors and health benefits. Step 6. Let the tea steep on low heat for approximately 6 to 8 minutes, allowing ample time for the infusion to develop a robust and fragrant profile. Now, let's explore the remarkable health benefits associated with each component of this sensational 6-flavor tea. Sour tea, or hibiscus tea, offers a myriad of benefits. Its high antioxidant content helps support heart health, lower blood pressure, and may even aid in weight management. Green tea, with its abundance of antioxidants like catechins, promotes brain function, reduces the risk of chronic diseases, and may assist in weight loss. Cinnamon, known for its delightful warmth, not only adds flavor but also helps regulate blood sugar levels, reduces inflammation, and supports digestive health. Dried orange or tangerine peel brings a zesty and aromatic touch to the blend. It aids digestion, enhances immune function, and adds a refreshing citrusy note. Dried apple, with its natural sweetness, is a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It promotes heart health, aids digestion, and contributes to overall well-being. Cloves, with their warm and comforting essence, offer antimicrobial properties, may alleviate dental pain, and provide potential anti-inflammatory benefits. Now that our tea has finished steeping, it's time to savor the flavors and enjoy the numerous health benefits it offers. But before we proceed, a friendly reminder. Always consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating any new herbal blends into your routine, especially if you have any existing health conditions or are taking medications. Whether you prefer to strain the tea and enjoy it in a cup or leave some of the ingredients for an aesthetic experience, the choice is yours. Remember to take a moment to appreciate the delightful aroma and the goodness it brings to your body. We hope you found this guide to creating the amazing 6-flavor tea helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tea enthusiasts. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content on herbal teas and natural remedies. Thank you for joining us today, and remember to always embrace the power of nature, savor the goodness of herbal teas, and prioritize your health. Thanks for watching.